boy.
Ow.
It's only boy now. It used to be boys, now it's just boy. She's raising him.
I know it's the usual.
Kidding. He's kidding.
I'm totally kidding. I love him when you're this aggressive and hurt me.
Trevor, be nice.
I'm trying.
Be nice.
Creepy. I like it.
Oh, sweet Jesus, where's my God? Where's Yahweh? Where's Yahweh when I need him?
Be nice.
Hold on.
Hey, according to Megan Moore, you will not be saved.
You will not go to heaven.
Oh, stop slapping me.
I told him Trevor was a Jew and she goes, I'm sorry. I was like, it's okay. It's really okay.
Let me get another beer, please.
Yeah, let's do another beer. Hey, let's do a beer bong together.
You
Go
and me?
away,
Yes.
Trevor. I don't like
Okay.
you.
Alright.
You're Jewish.
Hey, come here.
You're a
Come here.
Jewish.
Come here. I
Nice
want it on tape.
pronunciation of the name.
Aaron Todd. I want it on tape. Tell me you agree with me.
Fuck you. I agree with you.
Wait.
He's a stupid Jew.
He's a stupid Jew. He's a stupid Jew.
Oh, he won't let me.
What do you want to do? Just kiss the damn girl.
No, I want to drink my beer.
No.
First of all,
No.
You just literally shoved your hand down my mouth. Statue of drunkardy, stop.
Well, I'll play.
No, you are not the statue of drunkardy. Stop it. Woman!
Oh, Trevor, ow.
What? Or please, just leave me alone for 2 seconds.
Aaron Todd, get over here. Just bit me. I was just bitten. Want to go to rape you? I was just bitten.
Oh, sweet Jesus, I survived.
sweet Jesus, are you fucking kidding
Sweet
me?
Moses, is that better?
There you go.
Sweet Yahweh.